Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys a couple tips to instantly improve your Roblox GFX. Let's get straight into it. So first things first, we have a depth of field effect. Let's make a copy. So hit Ctrl J to copy, and we're going to filter, blur gallery, and we're gonna hit iris blur right here. And there are a couple ways we can achieve this effect, and right here you can adjust this elliptical shape to achieve the effect you want. So I'm going for something closer to this, kind of like this right here. I like. Alright, we can hit OK, and this already looks decent. We can go ahead and also filter, blur, hit radial blur, we can hit zoom. I'm going to change the amount to 5 and hit OK. So with this right here, we can also add a mask, and with this mask, if you use your brush with the color black, you can hide the effect. You can also use white to reapply the effect. Obviously we have more control over our scene. As you can see, this looks good for me. Alright, and the second tip is we can use color lookup right here, and we have some preset settings. As you can see, I think this one looks pretty good. I'm just gonna copy and check out some more presets. This one looks pretty good. I'm gonna use this. Let's keep scrolling. Alright, the last one, let me go for this. Okay, cool. Okay, the third tip is we can use the brush ourselves to add our own lighting. So shadows, for example, right here, we can make these areas darker. Over here, add some shading of our own, like so. I want to darken the background a little bit. We can use white to emphasize the areas of focus. So right here. Okay, we can go to overlay mode or soft light. There we go, copy and soft light. Alright, and the last tip I have for you guys is we're gonna make a new layer, and we're gonna go to image, apply. We're gonna hit OK. This will make our entire scene into one layer, which we're gonna copy and go to filter, camera raw up here. And this is where it gets good, because we can go to effects, increase the texture and clarity, or decrease the texture, increase the clarity, whichever one you think looks best. Probably like a balance of both, kind of like this. I think we have dehaze as well as a vignette right here, in contrast, lower highlights. This looks good, I think. Alright, in optics, you can also add a distortion if that is what you want. Keep it like that. 50. Let's hit OK. And now here is our before and after. Alright, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.